Hey everyone, most users by now know in PrintCast and GeoCast if you select a 3D object, you can add a URL or phone number to it as well as an email address. So just by grabbing an object, you can see that this link option appears. Well, sometimes you might get a model and you might want to have multiple actions on it, but you might not have enough 3D knowledge to break it apart or have a 3D modeler or generalist available to you. So what you can do is you can just take a blank PNG. So what I've done is I've taken these blank PNGs and put them across the social icons. So I have Facebook, I have Twitter, I have TikTok, and I have Instagram. So when I look at the actual augment, if I tap Twitter, for example, it'll go through to the actual, the endpoint, right? Let's just go back. If I click Facebook, same thing. It'll just go right through to the link, and it'll do that for all of them. Another little option before I sign off here is always think about using your surface to the maximum. You can see I got the headphones on that. This is one of my favorite designs I've made where I've just used the physical design to blend in with the augment design to give that nice little additional bonus of having some depth and space, making it spatially anchored right into the environment, right? Because otherwise, it's just this. All right, there's some helpful information. I can't wait to see what you create.